Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Much of the discussion in Elements up until this point has focused on what you can do to edit your raster image elements. Remember that raster image elements are pixel-based, so when you use any of your painting tools, you are changing the pixels in the specified layer. The drawing tools in Photoshop Elements let you create vector-based image elements. A vector object is defined by mathematical terms. As such, they can be resized, moved, and warped without losing resolution. This is why the text you create in images is so often vector-based. It lets you resize and manipulate the text without sacrificing the text's edge clarity or definition. In this chapter, you'll examine the other tools you have in Photoshop Elements that let you create vector-based shapes in your images.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.